Okay, today I'm going to show you how to set up your own WhatsApp chatbot. So it's very simple. Just go to our website asi.sg, click on the sign up. Then you can enter your email. Then you can create a password. Then click accept. I'm not a robot. And click sign up. So now you have to check your email. So you'll receive an email called activation. So remember to click this link. And then now you can go back and then you can log in. Okay, so you'll see that you have to upgrade first. So you just click on upgrade. Then you select your plan. Then you can choose monthly or yearly. Yearly is cheaper. Choose one time or reoccurring. So one time. Then it can bring you to this stripe. So you just fill in and then you just press pay. So once you pay, you actually see this page and you can click on this connect WhatsApp now. So you can click on it, connect with Facebook. So here they actually ask you to log in with your Facebook. So for me, I'm already logged in. Then once I log in already, I can click on this continue. Then you can create a new profile. So for me, I can see that I can choose profile whether it's verified or not. It doesn't matter. Then you can see, choose this thing called connect to a WhatsApp business app. So because you want to use your existing account, so you choose that. Click on next and then you can type in your phone number. So you can click next. So now you actually have to check your phone. So your phone will actually receive a message. Then you can click connect on your phone. Then you actually scan the QR code. And click OK. And then once you connect, you can actually finish it. Then you can choose your WhatsApp business name and your time zone. And then you can click confirm. Then you actually need to click on this thing called add payment methods. So you click on the link, they open this page. So you have to add your payment method. For me, I already added. So you just click on add payment method and then you can choose Singapore dollars and then press next and then you use your debit card and then press next and then you can fill in and then press save. So once that is saved, then you need to add a payment method before you can actually start the chatbot. So this is very important. So once that's done, you can actually go to this dashboard. So for me, I actually set it up already. So I will see this is connected. But what you can do is actually click on the templates here. So you can actually choose a different template that you want to use. Or you can use this create bot where they ask a series of questions and you just answer and you just click on create bot. Or if you have this AI tool that create instructions for you. So this is where you can actually test out your AI. So you can just say hi and you can ask AI to improve your AI also. So this is maybe a different video that you can refer to this. But for now, I'm just going to choose a template. For example, real estate. I just click apply and click OK. Then you'll actually bring after that I can go to this page called edit instructions, or you may have already brought you there. So what it did is actually it just use the template that we chose and it applied here. So here is where you can actually put in your Property Guru link. For example, this is the Property Guru link that I have as a test, and then I can just paste it anywhere. And then because the chatbot can't really access the web, so I will actually have to copy the individual details inside also. So I just paste. So if I got any other link or any other properties, I just continue. But of course I can organize it a bit better. I can say this is listing 1, for example, and then listing 2. Then I copy and paste the link. So why is it important for me to paste the link? This is more property related. It's because let's say if you're using Property Guru, you can actually, when they click on the enquire, they will send a message to you. Your customer will send a message to you with this template, and inside the template message they actually include the link. So the chatbot is actually looking out for the link to know which listing they are referring to. So a few things you can take note here is that there's this thing called typing indicator. If you want your message to be, let's say when the chatbot is replying to your clients, to have this typing 3 dots thing come out, you can turn it on. But the downside to it is that it actually marks your messages as read. That means you won't be able to see the pop-up and see that there's an unread message. So if you want the unread message to appear, you just turn this off. And we have this thing called auto respond to new messages. Basically, when you turn this on, it will respond to anybody. So let's say if you are testing and you don't want it to respond to anybody, you can just turn it off first. And then let's say if you turn it off and you want it to respond only to you, you can refer to these built-in commands. So using your chatbot, actually you will send a message to yourself. Let's say your test number, this start R. So it's only activated for your number and not any other number. And if you want to stop, you can just type this thing called stop R. And then reset R is more of resetting the whole history. For example, if you already updated a new instruction and you want to use the latest one, you type this reset R to reset the chatbot again to use the latest instructions. So if you find that your chatbot replies too slowly, you can actually change this. You can change this to maybe 5 or 10 or even 0. Basically, this is because some people reply in multiple messages. So you want the chatbot to actually wait a while and reply all at one shot rather than replying individually. This is your choice. So this is the very simple way to just get started, and make sure you save your instructions at the end of the day. And then if there's any other things like all these other functions, you can refer to our other videos.